So this video is for those people who are like planning for the SAP Global Certification. So for the Global Certification, what you have to do first, you have to book the exam brochure, and what are the requirement for that? You must have a mail ID. You have to give a mail ID. With that, there must be the phone number, and with that, there must be the ID proof, Aadhaar card. Right. So currently SAP already closed the a registration process from the student end. So for this, what you have to do, you have to contact any vendor through which you can do the certification. So if you want to take the our help regarding the certification booking, you just pin me in the comment, right? I can give you the details, phone number and all. You just contact over there, we can do for that, right? So after the exam brochure booking, then what you have to do in the second step, you must have the universal ID, SAP universal ID, SAP UID, right? So you must have the universal ID. I will show you how to do that. And after that, you must have a secondary mail ID, or which is called as the recover mail ID, and it must be in a Outlook or Hotmail or Yahoo Mail, right? You must have the Yahoo Mail or Outlook Mail, right? Because it will take the same Gmail ID, some other Gmail ID. Sometimes it will not helpful for the SAP case. So that's why you must have the Outlook mail ID. So how to do that? First, what you have to do after purchasing the brochure, you have to just go for the SAP Universal ID creation. You just search in any browser, so you will find here like this. So here you can create the your account today. Otherwise, what you have to do, you will find the option here, SAP Universal ID, right? Here you will find the option SAP Universal ID. Here also, otherwise here you can option create your SAP Universal ID. So click here get started. Then you have to give your first name as per your Aadhaar card, right? Whatever the name mentioned over there, you just have to give that name only, right? So if you have the middle name, you can add here, right? First name and middle name you have to add here. Then you have to put here the last name, then put here the country, then give your mail ID, like in which mail ID you have purchased the brochure, right? You have to give the your main mail ID over here, original mail ID. Then give any username as per the availability of the username the system will take, right? So you just give a username, then create a new password, right? You just have to remember the password, right? So give it the password by giving the alpha numerical number and a special character as well. There must be a capital letter, small letter, special character and a numerical. You have to put in both the place password and re-enter, then click on acknowledge, then click on submit. So that your universal ID will be created. This is the first thing. Second, you have to create a Outlook mail. So you just click here, create Outlook mail, right? So here you can just create a Outlook mail ID. You know how to create a mail ID, just create a Outlook mail ID. So after both the thing, then what you have to do, just click here SAP certification, click here SAP certification. So in certification, you will find the option SAP certification or certification program. So then you will find the option like this. Okay, not here. Just go back one step. Go for the SAP learning of here, SAP learning. So when you'll come to this place, you will get an option for the login, right? So what you have to do, you just have to give your same mail ID and password. You just log in. So after login, what you have to do, so you'll get the option like this, get certified, right? So which mail ID you have to give here, not your recover mail ID. You should not log in through the like Outlook mail. Better you will log in through your original mail ID what you have given during the like purchase the service, right? You just log in over here. Then after you will find the screen like here. Then go for the get certified. Here you will find the option manage certification. So if you are a new user, right, you may get a message over here like add your recover mail ID. You will get a pop-up over here, add a recover mail ID. In that case, what you have to do, you just have to click on the pop-up, right? You will redirect to the another page, and in that page you have to give your username and password. Otherwise you have to give your original mail ID and password what you have created, and then log in. And after login, after like 1 second or 2 second, you will get a another screen, and in that screen you will find a line item. Over there there will be mentioned to add your recover mail ID. So over there you just add mail ID. There will be option to add your mail ID. You just click here the add mail ID, right? And in add mail ID you have to give your Outlook mail ID over there. Outlook mail ID. And when you will give the Outlook mail ID over there, then you will get a message to give a OTP. There will be a OTP will send to your Outlook mail ID. You just have to find that from your Outlook. Just give here there and log in. Right. After completion of that step, then come back to this step. So you have to come back to this step again, and here you have to go for the exam dashboard. And in exam dashboard you will find a line item like this, right? If you have the purchase the service, then you will find the line item like this. If you have not like purchase, then there will be no line item over here, right? So then here what you have to do is just click on the schedule exam. In schedule exam you will find like some like a exam brochure, right? So from all the brochure you have to choose one only, right? For which you have purchased the service. If you have given like for one attempt, you can give one attempt one exam, right? And if you have purchased for the six attempt, then you can give six exam from here, right? So let example someone is booked for the ABAP examination, right? You just click here, right? Then language key will shown here. Then from the in the second line item from here, you will find a calendar symbol over here, right? You just click on this calendar symbol. In calendar symbol, what you have to do, you have to select a time zone. If you are from the India, then you have to choose as the time zone as a Asia Kolkata, right? You have to choose first that one. Then choose on which day you are going to appear the exam, then what will be the time, and click that. Then click on save. After saving that one, after like 1 2 minute, you will get a mail from the SAP end like you have booked for the examination. And when you will going to appear the exam, just 30 minutes before, you will get the remind call as well from the like SAP end, right? That will be through the mail. And from the end like SAP end. And during examination time you must have carried two or like ID proof. Like example, one is Aadhaar card. You must have a driving license or like a like PAN card or some any voter ID card. Any two or like ID proof must be there. And there will be a prospector from the SAP end who will like say you will instruct you like turn on your videos, right? And show around the room. The room must be a closed room, and you have to show throughout the room, and you have to lock from within the or like a inside the room, right? And your mobile must should not be like present near to you, right? These are the some terms and conditions, right? And this is this way you can appear. There will be 80 question. If you will crack if you will give like 63 right answer, then only you will crack the exam. 63% minimum, right? So this is from my end. And if you are like facing any type of trouble, or and you want to like know what will be the price for the brochure, right, and what will be the price for the examination, you just pin me like here and comment me, I will give you the reply. And if you want to like uh, need any type of support for the examination, right, we are like helping the candidate to crack the exam with 100% guarantee, right. So what are the different type of question, what will be the selected question is coming, right, for the different modules, right, you can just comment here, like I will definitely help you out. Thank you.